Hi, today we're going to convert degrees to degree, minute, second notation and backwards. So let's start with a degree. So imagine I have 18.125 degrees. How do I convert this to degree, minute, second, or DMS notation? So the first thing I would do is just take the decimal part only and I multiply it by 60. So you can see I leave the 18 degrees, that's already done. I take 0.125 and I multiply it by 60 in my calculator, and the answer I'm going to get is 7.5. So that gives me the minutes. So now I have 18 degrees and 0.125 times 60 is 7.5 minutes. So now you keep going because you have a decimal, and you take the 0.5, that's the decimal, and you just repeat that again by 60. So I repeat that, multiply the 0.5 times 60 now, and that gives me 30, which is the amount of seconds inside. So my final answer, 18.125 degrees, is equal to 18 degrees, 7 minutes, and 30 seconds. So how do I go backwards? So the next example, let's say I start off in the DMS notation, negative 152 degrees, 13 minutes and 22 seconds. So what I do is do the inverse operation. I multiplied before, so now I am going to divide. Again, I start from the right side, since I started from the left side the other time. I take the 22 seconds and I divide it by 60. So what decimal that gives me is 0.36 repeatedly. So that's the decimal I create for minutes. So now it's 13.36 repeatedly minutes. So I keep going. Don't forget the decimal this time. So what I do is divide by 60 again the entire minutes. So keep in mind 13.36 repeatedly is the minutes. I divide that by 60. And I'm going to get my final decimal in my calculator is going to say 0.2227 repeatedly, which is negative 152.2227 repeatedly. So that's how you convert degrees to DMS notation and backwards.